Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the screw and slide the base cover off the system to remove it. Identify the hard drive module. Press the blue tabs to unlatch it. Lift the module out of the system. Flip the hard drive over. Unlatch it to lift it out of the module. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it to the module and flip it over. Relatch the hard drive module to the system. Slide the base cover back on the system and tighten it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.